Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to get dynamic island in iPhone X, XS, XS Max and iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. Basically this feature available only for iPhone 14 Pro, but follow me for get dynamic island in your iPhone. For this you need to one application, and application link is description. I open this application, you can see it. And guys, now tap on manage icon. Now tap on it, and guys, now tap on set transparent background. You can see it, and close the window and take a screenshot of free space. Now tap on screen, now scroll, and now screenshot from here, empty screen. You can see it, and now tap on, guys, now reopen this application, and now tap on add wallpaper, and now tap on this screenshot, and now update permission, and guys, now again tap on this screenshot and tap on done, and tap on done. You can see it, tap on it, and guys, you can see it. Now tap on this icon, and you can see here dynamic island is available. Now tap on manage, and guys, now tap on medium one. You can see it, first medium one, and now tap on dynamic island in first number. Now, and you can see every size is available. I am selecting first one. Now tap on it. Now tap on fix permission. You can see it, and now cross from here permissions, and guys, go back and tap on screen and tap on plus icon, and guys, scroll down and tap on it, this application, and you can see it. Tap on pdf 1, add widget, and tap on it done icon. So dynamic island is finally available in your iPhone screen. You can see it. And guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. You can see dynamic is successful installed in your iPhone iOS devices.